Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning up this side porch that we have. I want to get it all cleaned up and make it look somewhat cute so that I can enjoy it when the weather starts cooling off. Right now it's a mess. We had a lot of storms this summer that have just kind of blew a lot of like debris and little pieces of branches and stuff like that off. So I'm going to clean it up and make it look really nice, and so I thought I'd bring you along with me. So I'll give you a kind of a shot of what it looks like right now, and I've kind of taken some stuff off the porch, like the chairs and stuff, so I'll have to put all that back, but I'll show you kind of what it looks like. And this is kind of what it looks like. It's kind of got a lot of random stuff on there, so I need to really clean this up. Stuff I need to bring inside, and stuff I'm probably going to put out in our outbuilding as well. But yeah, so it's got a lot of like just leaves and stuff that has been blown up here, and lots of spider webs and just kind of gross. I need to really power wash it. I don't know if I'll get to do that, but I'm gonna clean all like these cobwebs and things like that up, and just make it look nice. I've been wanting to find something to hang up on this brick. I don't know that I have anything that will look cute hanging up there right now, but maybe I can find something. I don't know. But we're just gonna work with what we have today and try to clean this up and make it nice. We do have a fan up there, so during the fall it's really awesome, and we can turn that on. It makes it really comfortable out here. So anyway, just a little quick look at what it looks like right now. So I'm gonna get started. just finished up out here. I think I'm done. This is not perfect. I did spray the porch and I got all the debris off. I did scrub some on here, like the windows, and then this part here is like wood, and it was really disgusting. Still is not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. So I just gave everything kind of a scrub down and just kind of cleaned it up a little bit. It's not perfect. I mean, you can see that like the porch needs to be painted and this like wood here needs to be painted, but we're just renters, so I really just wanted to kind of give it a little scrub down. We won't be painting, but I thought it would be nice to kind of clean up the porch now that the weather, you know, hopefully will start to cool down a little bit and we'll be able to enjoy sitting back here, because it was really gross. So we just cleaned it up. This is like a little plant stand, and I'd like to get some sort of plant to go there, and then I still would like to find something to hang here. I'm not really sure. I'm not much of a shopper, so I'll have to kind of look around and see what I can find, but that would be nice. But these are just existing things that I already had. The chairs and the table, free to me flowers, and actually the jar. My husband found that under the house, so I cleaned that up and just cut some flowers that we have in the yard and put those in there. And yeah, so I mean, it's not really much. I'd like to do a few more things. There's like hooks up here that I would love to hang some flowers. They'd probably die, but I would still really like to try to keep them alive. But yeah, so just kind of cleaned it up. It was, you know, a nice little afternoon project to do while there were children napping. And enjoyed that. I know that was kind of, I mean, it's not cooking or anything, but I thought I would try it. I've been looking at the back of this porch thinking like, oh, I need to do something. It's so nasty. So I thought, why not? I mean, I didn't buy anything for it. I picked free flowers in my yard. And but you can do that. You don't have to go out and spend money to give, you know, an area in your home a little facelift. So I think it turned out okay, and I'll be adding to it if I get something to hang up on the fire, on this brick part of the fireplace. Then maybe I'll take a picture and post it on Instagram or something. I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna keep adding to this, and I'll just maybe take pictures and put them on Instagram. If you have any ideas on what I could hang up there, leave them in the comments down below, and maybe you can help me, because again, I have no style. I'm not much of a shopper, so I'm just kind of doing the best I can with what I already had. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.